It's gonna transform into like this. Oh wow!
Welcome to my channel. Let's play together.
Samar, are you excited
You have to open this.
to open this toy?
Yeah.
Let me see your toy. Show me, show me, show me. What is it? It's a RC stunt auto twister.
Yeah, it comes with a controller too.
It comes with a controller too.
Yeah, here it is.
Where is the controller?
Here it is.
This is a car. This is a controller. Let's open it, Summer.
Okay, come on. Let's see what's inside.
Let's open it. Ooh, let's see what's in the box.
Yeah.
Wow! Oh my God! Summer, it's a big car. Let me see. Can I see? Oh my God, it's wonderful. Where is the controller? Summer, it looks like a spider car. Is it? Okay, what color is it, Summer?
Red
And
and black.
wow, cool. What's in there? It comes with the screwdriver.
And what's inside here?
It comes with a nice controller.
I think there's something inside here.
Let me see. Let's see what's inside. Let me see. I think it's a battery. Summer, take a look at the car. So what do you like about this car? Tires? Or
I like the tire.
you like the tires? They're big. Can you count how many tires are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, and
4.
so it comes with this battery.
I want to play with it.
You wanna play with it?
Yes.
And it comes with 2 batteries, okay?
I want to play.
Okay, let's put the batteries in the car.
Okay.
Okay, so it comes with some of this nice manual. You're closing the box, that's good. Let's see. So look at this, Samar. There's a battery we have to put in a car, and I think there's one which will go in the controller. Let's take a look.
Look at the controller.
So to put the battery, we just have to open these 2 screws. This one. Okay, so let's open this, and this gonna fit in. They both are same. 4.8. You know how to put the battery inside?
Yeah.
So you just plug these 2 cables together and then put the battery right inside. Like this and this.
Now let's put the screws back. The battery's inside. We can put the screws back in there, like this. And then the other one, right here. And we are all set to go. Are you ready?
Now last step is to put the batteries in the controller.
Let's see what kind of batteries we need over here. I think we need double A batteries. What do you think, Samar? And here is a screwdriver. Yes, look at this. 2.
AA batteries. Yes. Let's bring the battery.
You fixing the car? Okay. We are all set.
Alright, all set?
Yes.
Let's turn it on right from here. It's on.
Are you sure it's gonna work?
Yes, I'm sure it's gonna work. And our controller is, let's turn on the controller right from here.
Let's see how
On.
it works.
And here it goes. You wanna try?
Yes.
Cool. Wow, so it moves like a spider. Samar, what it did?
When you press that button, then it's gonna do it.
It's gonna transform?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Look, Dada.
Samar, transform it again. Transform it again. Okay, one more time. Make it different. Oh wow! What button you're pressing? Show me. Come here. Can I see? Look. So if we press this button, the center button, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna transform into like this. If we press this button, it's gonna go back up. Nice.
When you press this.
Ready, Samar? Oh, look, it transforms. Look, it goes flat and then it comes up like this.